We're gonna cut this huge watermelon into sticks and triangles the easy way. Now my grocery did not have perfectly round watermelons. It only had these huge ones. So this is what we're dealing with today. Find the most flat area of your watermelon so it can balance out a little. First thing you're gonna do is give it a good wash with warm soapy water because this watermelon just came from a field, and towel dry it. So here we are. You want to grab the largest kitchen knife that you have around. Now when dealing with a big oval watermelon like this, I like to cut one of the ends to give myself a steady surface to cut it down the middle. So here we are. Now if your watermelon is round, this helps a lot too. Then I'm just going to cut it straight down the middle on one side, and then I'm gonna turn it around and cut the other side straight down the middle. My hand's still at the top, holding it together. And this is where you separate and check out if you have a good watermelon. Boy, are we in luck today. My store did not have seedless watermelons, but my family doesn't care. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to film a video on how to pick a watermelon at the store. As you can see, if we look at the rind, I cut it exactly in half, but watermelon meat separates on its own. So if you want an exact flat surface, you can take your knife and just flatten it out. And all you have to do is put it upside down. Now, this first half, I'm gonna cut it into sticks that we can just easily pull out. To do that, I'm gonna go lengthwise and cut the watermelon from one end to the next. Now, my lines are about, hold on a second. How thick are they? 2 inches? 2 inches. Whoa. Now, each of these strips are about 2 inches wide. It really doesn't matter. It's just about how big you want your squares to be. And then I'm cutting it in the vertical direction to make those squares. Now check these out. I'm gonna pull these, and now we have watermelon pieces. Now the second watermelon half, I'm gonna cut it into triangular wedges. Remember the end that I sliced off? That's really helpful because now I'm going to cut it straight down the middle. And now I'm gonna cut these into 2-inch thick triangles. And just like that, our watermelon triangle is good to go. By the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more.